In the sweet lands of Candyland, a colorful town beckons with its sugary delights. Sprinkle discovers a mysterious lollipop garden that sings sweet tales in the breeze. Panic spreads as the lollipops disappear one by one, leaving the candy dwellers in distress. Taffy's clever mind and Rocky's sturdy presence join Sprinkle to confront the unseen thief. Determined, they prepare their trap under the glittering night, hearts racing with anticipation. The thief revealed, a lone gummy worm trapped, its eyes wide with unexpected guilt. Understanding shines in their eyes as they choose kindness over resentment, reaching out with open hearts. Together, they roam the sweet lands, spreading joy and unity, letting friendship blossom like candy flowers. Amidst cheers and laughter, the candy creatures come together in a colorful dance of unity and love.